Hi everyone. So this video will learn about union type and type guards. Union type is basically a combination of two or more types. We'll see an example of it. Let's create a variable first. So it will be my var and let's make it string. Here I will do the assignment and I'll put hello world here. Now let's make use of console log to get the output on the screen. Sorry for this, it should be my var. Save it. So this is the output, but if I'll try to make it a number, I'll get the error. To fix this, I have to make it number here, save it, and I'll get this output. So in this case, I want this variable to hold a number or a string. To have that, I have to make it a union type. For this, I have to make it string here, then a pipe symbol. Now this variable can take a string value and a number value. So if I'll put 22, it is acceptable, as you can see here. If I'll put hello world here, that is also acceptable. Save it and you will see hello world here. So whenever you want to create a union type, just simply put a type here, then a pipe symbol, then another type. Now let's have a look over type guards. We need a function first, so just delete this and create a function add. It will take two parameters and it will be a union type. The first parameter will be val1, so let's make it number and string. The second will be same, val2, number and string, and we'll simply return the concatenation, or you can say the total if in case it is a number. So it will be val1 plus val2. Now we are getting an error here. You can see here operator plus cannot be applied to types string number. See, at this point this function is not able to identify that you want to concatenate numbers or you want to concatenate string. If it is a combination of number and string, then there is some conflict which you have to fix. To fix that, you have to make use of type guard. So just delete this part and make use of if statement here. So if type of val1 equal to number and type of val2 equal to number, you want to return the total, which is val1 plus val2, and we need a default. In case one is number and one is string, we'll simply convert that number to string like this, val1 to string function plus val2 dot to string. That's it. Now let's review this. So in case both are numbers, we want to return total. In case both are strings, we want to perform the concatenation. In case one is a number, one is string, we want to perform concatenation. And this is the default behavior. Now let's call this function add. So let's pass two numbers, 1 and 2. Save it. We'll get 3 in return. This is the output. Now let's pass hello world. Put some space here. Save it. And this is the output. Now let's make it a number. Save it. We'll get hello 1. And this is the output. So this expression here is called type guard, which will basically check for the type of the variable. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you next video. Have a nice day.